Hi, first graders. All right, we're going to get started on fast math. Make sure you have number 14. And let's get started. Number 1 says, circle the object that is different. So look at all of the suns. Which one looks different and circle it. Number 2 says, circle the birds that are on the fence. So the ones that are on the fence. The next part, you are doing some addition. So make sure to add the two numbers together and then write the answer below. You can push pause and do that right now. The next part, Robert caught 5 fish. He gave 2 to his uncle. How many fish did Robert have left? So if you think you can, try to fill this part out. You can push pause if you need to finish, and then we're going to get correcting. All right. It's time to be your own teacher. Number 1 says circle the object that was different. So looking at the 3 suns, this is the one that is different. The next one said circle the birds that are on the fence. So the 2 that are on the fence are this one and this one. All right, the next part is adding. So this one we have 1 plus 8. I'm going to start with the bigger number and count up. So if I'm at 8, I count 1 more and it makes 9. Good, next one, 5 plus 2. So I'm at 5. I'm going to count down 2 more. 5, 6, 7. The next one, 3 plus 7. So 7's bigger, so I'm going to start at 7 and count up 3 more. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. The next one is 0 plus 11. So if I have 11 and I don't need to count up anymore, I still have 11. Good. Next one, 2 plus 6. So 2 is bigger, so 6 is bigger, so I'm going to start at 6 and count up 2. 6, 7, 8. Oh, that 8's a little crazy, sorry. Next one, 1 plus 3. So 3 is bigger, so I'm starting at 3 and counting 1 more is 4. All right, the next part said, Robert caught 5 fish. He gave 2 to his uncle, so he's giving some away. There's our hint. How many fish does he have left? So if he's giving them away, that means we are subtracting. The numbers we know are 5 and 2. Our subtraction sentence, so Robert caught 5 fish and he's giving, so we're subtracting 2 away. We want to know how many he had left. So equals blank. So if I'm at 5 and I take away 2, 1, 2, I have 3 left. So we would say he, or you could write Robert as well. He had 3 fish left. Nice job. Do not forget your period at the end. See you next time.